Free AI tools for text-to-video generation and content creation. Today, I want to talk about one of the most exciting applications of AI converting text to video. With the rise of digital platforms, creating engaging video content has become a crucial aspect of online presence, but it can be a daunting task, especially for those who don't have the time, resources, or technical skills to produce high-quality videos. When it comes to producing engaging video content from written material, creators often face a multitude of challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is the time-consuming process of scripting, filming, and editing. It can take hours, if not days, to create a single video, which can be discouraging for those who want to focus on creating content rather than getting bogged down in production details. Another major challenge is the lack of technical skills required to produce a professional-looking video. Not everyone has the expertise to handle cameras, lighting, and editing software, which can result in subpar video quality that fails to engage viewers. Furthermore, creators often struggle to maintain consistency in their video content, which is essential for building an audience and establishing a brand. With the pressure to constantly produce new content, it can be exhausting to maintain the level of quality and creativity that audiences demand. And finally, there's the issue of scaling content production to meet the demands of a growing audience. As a creator's following increases, so does the need for more content, which can be overwhelming and unsustainable without the right tools and strategies. That's where AI-powered text-to-video tools come in, revolutionizing the way we create video content from written material. These tools use machine learning algorithms to automatically convert text into stunning videos, complete with animations, transitions, and even voiceovers. One of the most impressive tools I've come across is Lumen 5, which uses AI to transform blog posts and articles into engaging video content. What I love about Lumen 5 is its user-friendly interface, which makes it easy to upload your text and customize the video to fit your brand. Another tool that's caught my attention is Wibbits, which uses natural language processing to create short-form videos from written content. Wibbits is perfect for creating snackable content for social media platforms, and its sleek design makes it a breeze to use. Invideo is another standout tool that offers a range of features and templates to create stunning videos from text. What sets Invideo apart is its vast library of graphics, animations, and music tracks, which gives creators endless possibilities for customization. But the tool that really takes the cake is Raw Shorts, which uses AI to create animated explainer videos from written scripts. What I love about Raw Shorts is its intuitive interface, which makes it easy to customize the animation style, characters, and even the voiceover. Raw Shorts is free to use and make 3 videos per month at no cost, or pay $20 or $30 for monthly subscription. You may want to check out some of the free AI tools in the description below. In conclusion, AI-powered text-to-video tools are game-changers for content creators. They're designed to streamline the video creation process, saving time and resources while producing high-quality content that engages audiences. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear about your experiences with AI tools in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about AI-powered content creation, be sure to check out my other videos on the topic.